Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick tour of the vintage Coach Geometric Top Handle Bag. So this specific bag was made in the US in the year 1997 and the style number is 9043 for all geometric top handle bags. So here's a close-up view of the bag. Here's the front, the side, the back, and then the side again, and then here's the bottom and the top. Then we'll open the bag. This is what the inside looks like. I stuffed it with paper, but it basically just has the creed inside and a zip pocket. So here's the pocket that kind of pulls out. Unfortunately, it does have some tearing right here, but the bag is still functioning the same. And then you can, of course, unzip this pocket and store any valuables inside this pocket here. So this pocket just slips back down inside. And here's a quick photo of the creed as well, so you can see it up close. And then also the bag is in good condition. I would just note that it does have some wrinkling, nothing too extreme. And then also I did have to stitch I did stitch a small section down here where a few of the stitches came loose, just to kind of keep the leather in place, but I don't think you can really tell too much. But anyway, that's the Geometric Top Handle Bag. I'll go ahead and link it below in the Etsy shop if you wanted to look at it further. I actually just sold one just like this, but in red, a couple days ago, so it's kind of funny to get a black one in now that I just sold the red one. But anyway, if you want to check it out, it'll be linked below in the description of this video. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.